Hello everyone. Welcome to the video tutorial of Document Management System. Agenda. Today in this training video, we will learn about document actions in DMS. Although there are several document actions available, but in this session, we will specifically focus on send email document action, along with an example. Objectives. Objective of this training is to understand following. What does the send email document action include? What is the purpose of using this action? How can a document be sent to a user via email? How they help in DMS working. Prerequisites. To perform this activity, the user must have a tenant account and admin role with organization access, along with DMS form access. Additionally, the SMTP settings must be configured either on the tenant screen or the mail configuration screen. Document actions. These are the list of document actions available in DMS. First, details. Edit document. Checkout. Check-in. Undo checkout. Delete. Move document. Forward. Document access. Send email. Send email with QR code. Chat. Attachment. Subscribe, unsubscribe document. Copy document. Download. Workflow. Upload. In document. Out document. Enable AI. These actions are visible based on the user's access. In this training video, I will cover the highlighted action. Send email. The send email document action allows users to share documents directly from the document management system, DMS, via email. This action is available to users who have read access to the document. It allows users to securely send documents as email attachments by selecting recipients within the system, eliminating the need for manual downloads or external sharing methods. This feature helps to streamline document sharing, ensures controlled access, and improves collaboration while maintaining document security and traceability within the DMS. Let us understand it by using example. Organizations frequently send invoices to their clients via email after they have completed a service or delivered a product. An invoice is a formal document that lists the details of the service or product, the amount the client needs to pay, the payment terms, and the due date. By sending invoices through email, clients can easily review and verify these details, which reduces the chances of confusion or disputes. Emailing invoices also makes communication faster and more efficient, helping businesses receive payments on time. Additionally, it creates a formal record for both the company and the client can refer to later, ensuring transparency and accountability in all financial transactions. Let us understand this in detail by navigating to the Onfinity system. Please log into System using tenant account and admin role with organization access. Once logged in, please open DMS web form from the menu. Click the AP Invoices 2025 folder to view all the uploaded documents. Then, select the Wayne Enterprises Invoices document and click the 3 ellipses next to it. These are the document actions available in the DMS. Select the Send Email Document action from the list. This action will navigate the user to the Send Email screen. First, on the right side of the screen, the document from which the action was initiated will be displayed. For example, the Wayne Enterprises invoice document. Next, the Refresh button allows the user to reload the document selected from the DMS form. Next, the user can enter the recipient's name in the To field to share the document via email. For example, if the user types Peter, all matching options related to Peter will be displayed. The user can then select Peter, and his configured email address will automatically appear alongside his name. Similarly, the user can enter recipients in the CC and BCC fields to include additional contacts in the email. For example, if the user types Sonic Admin in the CC field, the corresponding email address will appear alongside her name. Next, the user can enter the subject of the email. For example, invoice attached. Next, if the user wants to attach additional documents from their local system, they can click on the attachment icon. Clicking this will open the user's local system to select documents. The user can choose the multiple files to attach to the email. While attaching documents, the user must ensure that each file is less than 25 MB. Additionally, the same document cannot be attached more than once. After attachment, The attached documents will appear on the Send Email screen, displaying the document name, size, and type of document. To remove an attachment, the user can simply click the cross icon, and the attached document will be removed from the screen. Next, the user can type the email description and content in the message field. For example, "Hello, please find the attached invoice for your reference." Next, the user can use various formatting options for the email content, such as changing the font style, adjusting the font size, and applying styles like bold, italic, or alignment options like left or right. After editing the content, the user clicks the Send Email button, and an info message then appears on the user screen asking, "Are you want to run the process?" The user provides the confirmation by clicking OK, and the document is successfully sent to the recipients at their configured email addresses. The Send Email screen then closes automatically. To verify, the user navigates to the recipient Peter's configured email address and confirms that the email has been successfully received in the inbox with the subject "Invoice" attached. Upon opening the email, the To and CC recipients are visible, and 2 documents are attached: the Wayne Enterprises invoice sent from the DMS and an additional attachment selected during the send email process. The user can also view the email description. To open any of the attached documents, the user simply clicks on the document, which will then open in view mode. So, in this video, we have covered the send email document action, and the remaining actions will be explained in upcoming videos. Thank you!